Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am back. I haven't posted a video in a while, but I've been making soap like crazy, so I'm on like a major backlog of editing all of my videos. Today I am making patchouli. I have a love-hate relationship with patchouli. I love to hate it. For me, it's not one of my favorites, but it sells like crazy. I do a lot of blends with it, and those I can tolerate a little bit more. When I first started making soap almost like 8-9 years ago, in one of like the soaping forums, people were saying what their bestseller was, and I heard patchouli, and so I said, okay, let me order some patchouli. So I ordered like maybe a 4-8-ounce bottle of patchouli. I opened it up to smell it, and I was horrified. I just, honestly, I didn't know what it was. I thought, why would people want to use soap in that? Use soap with this? So honestly, over time, people kept asking, do you sell patchouli? Do you sell patchouli? Do you sell patchouli? So then I started smelling it, and the scent kind of grew on me. I started making it, and actually I like it. I don't dislike it like I used to. So I think some of you out there, you're scared to use patchouli. I would say go ahead and try it, because your customers will probably want it. They will probably use it. So just kind of funny story. Sometimes you make scents that you don't personally like, but they'll sell. So anyway, I am at a loss for design for my patchouli. I sometimes do bright colors, but then what I find is that the little girls come up to my booth and they'll want to buy it because I've got like bright yellows, bright greens, and so I kind of have to say, well, wait, smell it. It may not be what you really want. And then 9 times out of 10, they'll kind of put it down and grab a pink bar or a red bar or something like that. So I am just going to go ahead and do, and I'll be honest, I stole this from Ann & Suds and such. I'm just doing just a white with TD and some activated charcoal. Just kind of keep it simple. You know the saying they say, keep it simple, stupid. And just try this. I love using activated charcoal on all my soaps, so any chance I can get to use it, I will. And just kind of more of a simple soap. No big deal. You know, I'm not trying to incorporate 6 colors into it, all of that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and keep getting ready to pour into the mold, and I will be right back.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
And so you can see I kind of got the batter in. The nice thing, this is the patchouli fragrance oil from BeScented. It doesn't accelerate, so it's easy to work with. So I kind of got my black and my white swirled in there. And then I use my chopstick to do the internal swirl. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest of the white to the top. And add the rest of the black and try and see if I can come up with a little bit of a fun design for the top.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
And you can see that the activated charcoal got a little bit thick. That typically does happen because when you're making a smaller amount with activated charcoal, you tend to have to blend it a little bit more to make it, just to incorporate it. And then because it was such a small amount, more stick blending is going to make it, get thicker quicker. And then I kind of let it sit there trying to get all the rest of the white out, but totally workable. I kind of actually liked how the top of the design came out. When I went to cut it, it came out really, really nice. So very happy with how this one is turning out, considering it's, more simple than I'm normally used to with my patchouli soap.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and not put it in the oven. This time I did not put it in the oven. My soap shed, if I don't turn the fan on, it can get about 100 degrees. It's super, super hot in Washington, D.C. right now, and so if I don't have any air circulation, it gets really hot. And so this soap I was actually able to unmold after 12 hours. It totally went through gel. It was fantastic. Came out of the mold super clean. And so anyway, here's the cut. Really happy with it. Just more of a simple design, simple swirl. Usually I do more activated charcoal with a little bit of TD, but I like doing the white base with the black. I just think it's something different and it makes it pop. And so I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the cutting, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video.
Meant to be in the great outdoors.